So recording. This is my implementation of Fabric to show its uses in games and animation industry. And so here we have a quick sort of entity made, and this is to show that sometimes it can use inverse kinematics to animate objects instead of having animators do that. And then also showing that we can use Fabric across multiple entities, and we have to just make some minor tweaks as opposed to an animator which will have to fully animate each and every entity. So what we can see for this entity anyway is that we have some targets here, and this is projected down from the body. And what happens is we move our end effectors of each leg towards these targets here, and these are updated based on I can't find it. Where is it? Oh, it's in the spider. Here it is. It's based on the epsilon. So this is 1.8. So the distance from a target, temporary target, sorry, to a target is greater than 1.8. It will move it, and then this is what causes the stepping effect. And this is again just to show that instead of having animators make multiple animations for multiple entities, we can use Fabric to create these animations for everything, and simply make a few tweaks to poles, joints, and we can create a fully animated object or entity. We can see here we move the object's height based on the height of all of our end effectors. Let's see here. So we can go up, go down. We can have multiple. You could have some orientation for things like here. This is a nice thing to have, but for the scope of this project, this was unnecessary. A way to do it would be to simply just find the rear hit orientation on here, find all of the up vectors of each of the end effectors, and simply orientate the body based on that. And that would give you the sort of rotated or slanted effect. Yeah, and this could easily be used for many things such as weapons animations, cutscene animations. As I said before, this is just only using Fabric, nothing else. There's no animation involved, and it creates a reasonable looking sort of bug animation. And we can go into the code quickly for this, though it's just very similar to the initial project, the initial video, which is just a Fabric of each of these. We simply have link to each of the effectors, our targets, our height offset, obviously from the center of this object to the target. And that's it really, and we just turn, and all we do is move the root, which in this case is the body. We move it forward, and it'll update the targets, and move the end effectors like so.